All right there, boys and girls, here we are with day number 10 of our March Daily Math. We have a part whole problem. We have 35 plus a number equals 94. So our 94 is always going to be that high number then, right? So let's take 94 and we're going to take away 35. So this number plus this number is this number, but that number, the big one, minus either this one or this one gives us the opposite. So we're going to take away 35. Once again, we have more on the floor. Got to remember that, right? Borrow from next door. 14 minus 5 is 9. 8 minus 3 is 5. There we go. Draw a polygon with 3 angles and 3 sides. All right, well, 3 sides. What is that? Yeah, that is a triangle. Very good. Tri meaning 3, like tricycle. Stumpy. He traded his gold coins for 4 dimes, 4 nickels, and 4 pennies. How much money does he have now? Well, let's see. 4 dimes would be 10, 20, 30, 40 cents, right? Because we count by tens. 4 nickels, we're going to count by 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20. And 4 pennies, we count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's add 40 plus 20 plus 4. Well, let's do the ones column. We have 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals 4. And now the tens column. We have 4 plus 2 equals 6. 64 cents. Okay, so here's a fun, I like these. Draw what's missing. Use the key. All right, so the big blocks are 100. The stick things are tens. And the dots are 1. Okay. 746 equals this. Well, let's see. 6 means we need 2 more of these because I only see 4, right? So we need a total of 6 in the ones column. There's only 4, so we need to draw 1, 2 more. Now I have 6, okay? Now let's look at the tens. I see there's 2 tens, but this says a 4. So we need to make this a 4. There's 1, 2. That's 4 in the tens column. So there's a 6. There's your 4. This needs to be a 7. I only see 4 right now. So here's another one. Here's another one. That gives us 6. Oh, one more. I'll go down here somewhere. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 746. Right, less than, greater than, or equal to 5 hundreds, 7 tens, 6 ones. 5 hundreds, 6 tens, 7 ones. Okay. Write the numbers. Well, let's write the number here. We have 5 in the hundreds column. And I see a 7 in the tens column. And a 6 in the ones column. Again, 5 in the hundreds column, a 6 in the tens column, and a 7 in the ones column. Okay, well, we need to put our symbol in. Are they equal? No, they both start with 5 in the hundreds, but I see 7 here is bigger than the 6 in the tens column, right? So this number, 576, is greater than 567. And it's really using this one right here. Okay, boys, girls, we'll see you tomorrow for day 11 of your daily math.